A man and woman were murdered brutally today in the Salani area. A child was also in the home when the incident occurred. Here is Tom with more information about the story. Tom?
Yes, Mary. The man who has been shot and murdered was identified as Pastor Williams. The woman's identity was unknown. There was a child in the premises when the incident occurred, but the child was left unharmed. Here's a neighbor with more information.
Yeah, sleeping on me here. Paw, mess how what that? So makamada ka sa biscuit. You hear that? She say, yeah, boom, me a gunshot. But I can't believe it, you know. I can't believe it. I want the money sa kain. When?
Police are still looking for more suspects. We will tell you more about this story later on in the evening. Here's James with the weather. Mommy, I really need to eat something, okay? Please?
Can't believe your father embarrassed me like this. And he's not even here for me to confront him.
Mommy, I know you're grieving, but Daddy was murdered. You can't be vexed about the situation.
I shouldn't be vexed. Your father was cheating on me, and there was a baby too. I should have known. When he willingly made you marry that dirty man with no questions about it, I should have known. And the worst thing is, he left us broke without any money. How am I supposed to survive?
What do you mean? What do you mean, broke? How that?
He spent most of his money on those whores and his lavish lifestyle he was living behind my back. I can't believe he did this to me. I can't believe it. He was a man of God, and look how he behaved.
I just don't understand why somebody would kill him. Daddy wouldn't hurt a fly. Why would somebody kill him?
Me? I don't know what to believe anymore. I don't even know your father. Look at all this mess. How will I face the church on Monday?
You don't have to go. You can miss it out. I'm sure everybody will understand, Mommy.
All this scandal that your father created. And look, we, his family, are going to suffer because of it. And you know they had the audacity to ask me to watch that child for him. A baby boy. I didn't even know about it. That's how much he was hiding from me. You have a brother you don't even know. He left everything to that little boy in his will. He didn't even leave anything to you.
But Mommy, if you take the baby, you'll get everything that comes with the baby, don't it? I mean, it only makes sense. Maybe you should adopt the boy, and everything in the world basically goes to you. Isn't it like that?
I'd rather go hungry than take care of another woman's child. Especially a child your father created outside of our marriage.
Yes, yeah, let fuck get yourself, you know. But I say, no sense, you know. Where you supposed to get money from? What you think you gonna do? You gonna come live with me? You can't come live with me. But come yourself, come live with you. No hush pa me, I go. Eh? Oh, God, man, me tell you, say, you know, no sense. Tell you, say, I never left a girl named Shireen, you know, never. What you gonna do now? Who gonna take care of you? Eh? Where you gonna get money from? With that full work that we have, eh? Oh, you gonna get... You can't live in that house anymore. I take the house. Which part you gonna live? Oh, you gonna pay for that dundos mate there, eh? Eh? Tell me now. You don't even run no look of business. You there you live comfortable. But tell you how you think boy front. That's how you can't reach nowhere. You turn just like a dirty pooper. House for him there right now. In a grave. Why? Call him the think boy front. And that front make him drop down. If you got... Yo, you can't use it. You can't my pitney man. They must see the switch at the hospital or something because my pitney can't serati dunce. Oh, yes, so dunce.
Hey, pretty girl. What going, Anthony? Where you want order?
Oh, no, 4 pound of chicken back.
Anthony, about the past man we dead. Even I go in the wow. Even I also the matey and somebody come shoot the two of them. Me can't believe it though. He married, you know? Him wife must vex.
Yeah, man, me see on the news. I'll fuck up still, man. I don't know, people can't just kill people, so. No matter what, you can't just get up and kill people, so, man. I mean, so I look wide in the house too, like, how you do that?
And now what did them in Anthony? That's a meet on my house. Road can't see me when 9 o'clock drop.
It don't even matter if you're outside in the morning or the night. People want is on nowadays.
True thing you tell, man. Them young boy, man, them now no behavior, no respect for nobody.
Oh shit, you know, some forget some I need one curry too. And a dozen bags Joe too. Come my son a visit, I could work your name.
A Jackson ya talk. Him so sweet. If you bring him round, you know, my house and one Bobby ready for him.
Yeah, them sweet when them a baby, but hard God, when them reach certain age, them a headache.
Me if I tell you, I dread them me have. And my God, sometimes one box down all of them. She not even know. Especially the one named Shantae. She not like this to nobody. She just reached in high school and she already had a peer problem.
High school already, your time flies still, you know. Where you hold on there? Diana? Which part? Diana? 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 Oh, what a freak, what a good girl. Diana!
Pretty man, what going?
Yo, you, what the hell you doing, my daughter?
Yo, easy man, nothing like that. So, me see her walk up unknown, me no wonder.
Yo, sorry, man. Show me that worry still, you know?
Hey, me understand. If keep eye upon them still, because them love ramp. Yo, Sean, how when you get one baby man, she feel why you bad? How am I you this? I feel me out. She have look my eye color. Coming eye color still. I swear think I your pitney. Favor you.
Yo, you, thanks for everything, alright?
Alright man, that cool. Later.
Anthony! You have left the chicken back, Anthony!
Sure, you know, I was wondering if you wanted to go country with me, to go look for my family. My grandmother really wanted to meet you. Really? Well, is she like your mother? Cause you remember what happened the last time? Worry about it, two of them are complete opposites. Granny more nice and down to earth. No mother miserable. I don't have no issue, you know. And I would like some fresh air too. And some fresh fruits for the baby them. You're gonna love it, man, trust me. I just am grow up. It would be nice to get away from all the foolishness that's been happening in town. Alright, let's do it. Especially since the baby them soon come. I was supposed to look for Sean and him woman today, but I guess I'll go another day. Yeah, man. We'll go up on Saturday, man. Me drive you there. Don't worry about it. I don't know why you're going away by yourself, alright? You know all the craziness are going on now. Alright, I'll let Sean know.